everyone, I'm Peter Hu, Chief Brand Officer of Transport Network from ZTE. It's a real pleasure to be here with you today. Let's talk about some new technologies about 5G transport. We compare the base stations as legs and arms. We compare the management systems as a brain. Then the transport network serves as the main pipe connecting the endpoint and cloud. Then it is like the main artery of the human body. As the 5G era comes, the transport network is facing challenges, but ZTE is fully prepared. Heat dissipation is one of the important factors restricting the bandwidth upgrade of large capacity equipment. The existing air cooling technologies is the fan heat dissipation. With such problems as low heat dissipation efficiency and big noise, as the power density of the ICT equipment continue rising, the heat accumulation and temperature increase will have the negative impact of the lifespan and the performance of the core equipment. The existing air cooling and equipment room cooling capability cannot solve the problem. In the IT industry, many mainstream server vendors have launched a mature liquid cooling equipment and have put it into the wide application. Therefore, we believe that green and efficient liquid cooling will be the mainstream technology in the future. ZTE applies this technology on large capacity core communication equipment and proposed the two-phase liquid cooling technology. Liquid cooling is the technology that uses the high heat capacity of the liquid to dissipate heat. Water cooling is the type liquid cooling. Other coolants can also be used, such as freon, used in air conditioners. What does two-phase mean? Phase refers to the state of the matter, such as solid, liquid, and vapor. Two-phase refers to different states. Here we use the mixture of the vapor and liquid as coolant. The heat-producing components inside the equipment are covered with the metal heat sinks. The vapor-liquid two-phase coolant flows through the each heat sinks via the pipeline. The coolant absorbs the heat and gets vaporized. The fast-flowing coolant flows continuously to take away the heat and achieve the efficiency heat dissipation. In this situation, we do not need so many fans, thereby greatly reducing the noise in the equipment room. Our experiment data shows that the two-phase water-free liquid cooling can improve the heat dissipation efficiency of the core equipment by 250%, reduce the power consumption of the equipment room by 30%, and reduce the noise by 80%. If we use two-phase liquid cooling, take 10 kilowatt devices, for example, 95,000 yuan can be saved at the electricity cost a year. The TCO can be reduced by 30% in 5 years. Suppose a tree absorbs about 5.023 kg carbon dioxide a day. With our two-phase liquid cooling technology, 96 tons carbon emission can be reduced a single device each year, equivalent to planting 52 trees. The liquid cooling board used a special kind of the non-toxic coolant. It quickly vaporized at a special temperature to take away the heat. ZTE's liquid cooling technology is mature. At present, we already have the pilot plans with domestic operators, and we will achieve commercial deployment by end of this year.